Today we are going to see how to make a simple and beautiful macrame wall hanging. This is Reena. Welcome to Crafting Treasures. First, you will need a wooden dowel. Here I've repurposed a tree branch. I've sanded and cut it to size. Then I'm using 3mm macrame cord. I've taken 1 meter of each cord and fold them to half. Bring the folded portion of the cord from the front over the dowel to the back and pull the ends of the cord through it. This is the Lark head knot. Repeat this with all the cords cut out. Initially I've taken 8 cream colored and 2 peach colored cords. Next we will begin the square knots, starting from the left side using 4 strands. We've done 5 square knots in the first row. Now we'll start with the second row, leaving the outermost 2 strands from each side. For the third row, leave out the 4 strands from each side and do square knots. For the fourth row, leave 6 strands from each side and do the square knots. To add a bit more color to this wall hanging, I've added a mustard yellow and a peach cord on each side. I followed the same process as earlier and added square knots from each side of the hanging. Next I'm going to do diagonal double half hitch knots from the outside to the middle. As I'm starting with the left side first, I've taken the outermost left cord and I'm holding it diagonally towards the right and tying double knots using each thread along the way. Next, from the rightmost side, pull the outermost cord inward diagonally. Repeat the same double knots with each thread. If you are trying out this particular knot for your first time, it will be really great if you could use color codes at the end. It will be much easier to understand and do the knotting. I've repeated another layer of diagonal double half hitch knots from both sides to the center. I've used a square knot to tie the middle 4 cords. Using a sellotape as guide, I've cut the end to a straight line. I opened up the strands, brushed and ironed them. If you found this video valuable, do check out the one on the side. See you there. Bye.